Adventure Rentals is all about getting our customers off the beaten track and away from the crowds. I love doing what I do because we get to help people explore the beauty of the Northern Territory. We have a range of beautiful national parks where you need a four-wheel drive to access the unsealed roads to get you out in these locations, and you can really escape the crowds and enjoy nature at its finest. What sets us apart is that everything's included with us. You get unlimited kilometres, a free additional driver, and all the camping equipment is included. We provide equipment that's easy to set up, so you really are spending less time packing up and more time exploring. People should come to the Territory because there's nowhere else like it. You've got that sense of freedom to disconnect from the everyday and reconnect with nature and each other, and we are helping people to do that.